Yo, what's up guys? I'm right now on my way to the German Autobahn, okay, and trying to set a new high record. Actually right now here is only 100 kilometer allowed, so let's drive slower guys. And yeah, so here we go. Look at the streets guys. Look at the streets, so clean. It's so nice to drive here. So yeah, I would say stay tuned, stay here. I need about, I don't know, let's say half an hour till I reach the Autobahn there, and then we will go. I don't know, let's see. We got here 240 kilometers showing. I will try to go for, let's say 200, 220 with this short focus. Let's do this. So I'm still not there yet guys, but I just wanted to show you the streets guys. Look at this, like a carpet guys. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So beautiful. We got here 30, I don't know for what guys. I'm gonna now override this guy here. Let's go. Goodbye. And I mean, this is so beautiful. Look at these streets guys, look at these roads guys. All green in the middle of the forest. So nice, so nice. Okay, see you soon guys. Okay guys, we are going now to the Autobahn. Let's go, it's blue. So here we go guys, we are right now at the Autobahn. I got only 3 kilometers left here to drive, and I will try to get here my 200 kilometers per hour. I'm right now, as you can see there, at 170. So let's do it. Please don't go out, don't go out. Thank you sir. Oh, the streets are clean. Look at this, like a carpet. And I think now is the time to get the 200 guys. Look at this, look at this. We don't feel nothing. This is crazy guys. 187, 188. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I got only 1 kilometer left in the Autobahn. Oh no, I gotta stop this at this moment. We gotta give it another try. Okay, stay tuned for that guys, stay tuned. But we are right now at 190 kilometers per hour nearly, but I have to take this, I gotta go out here, but we're gonna give it another try later. Okay, see you guys. Alright guys, a second try to go 200 kilometers per hour. Let's go. I'm back to the Autobahn. I think that I have a feeling that this time it's gonna work. We have again 33 kilometers in the Autobahn, and let's do it. Here we go, here we go. Look at this guys. I'm driving right now 180 kilometers per hour, and it feels like I'm driving only 100 because of the streets here are so insane. So am I going to do it this time? Of course, this small smart going out. I was nearly at 200, but he wants to go out now just like that. Thanks buddy. Okay, let's give it another try. Come on, get the hell out of my face, man. Yeah, come on, go, go, go. It's all good. All right, let's do it again. Can we get 200 here? Or let's say 210. It's gonna be nice. Let's try it. Oh man. The Autobahn is full of cars. What's going on today? I mean, it's maybe lunchtime right now. Yeah. 1 p.m. Maybe that's why. So let's give it another try. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on guys, get out of here. This is my Autobahn. Oh bro. Okay, maybe now. Let's try. Oh, come on, up. Get out of my face. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. He gonna stay. He will stay. Of course he will stay. Of course. Oh, bro. This is so annoying. They're trying here to get a new record here on this channel. But maybe now, maybe now. Let's go. And also stay tuned. Tell me what I think about this content. Some Germany vlogs, Autobahn. I will be trying also soon to get some super cars, you know, with more power, like 400 PS horsepower, something like that. And I think we will be going there not only for 200. I think we're going to be to go for 250, 300. We will see. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. We got, bro, no way, come on, man. They're again going out in front of me. I was at 193, are you kidding me? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Do we have a chance to do it today? I don't know, man. This is so annoying. A lot of cars here. Okay, let's give it another try. Bro! I can't believe it. Okay, come on, come on. 23 kilometers left on this Autobahn. Are we going to do it today? Let's see, let's see. Maybe now, maybe now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And let's try it again, let's try it again. I'm coming. Oh, bro, again, again. Maybe now, maybe now, maybe now. We will see. No, this guy is also annoying. Oh my god, bro. He's gonna stay. Of course he will stay here. It's not easy to get 200 kilometers here on this Autobahn today. But let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Let's break the record. I want to go for 210, actually. But the highway is full today. It's not easy. Maybe now. Let's try it again. Get out of my face. Get the hell out of here, boy. Here we go again. Here we go again. Maybe now. Maybe now. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No one is behind me. No one is behind me right now. And this guy is in front of me right now. Come on, please. Get the hell out of here. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Come on, get out, guys. Get out, get out, get out. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I don't want to touch the brake. I don't want to touch the brake. Maybe now, who knows? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm coming for it. Oh yes, boy. Oh, this is so nice. Here we go, here we go. 200 guys, 200. We got it. 206, 207, 210, 211. This is so insane. Look at this, guys. Woo-hoo! I love German Autobahns, guys. I just love it. And look at this. Look at the road like a carpet. You don't feel nothing. You don't just feel nothing. 214 here. No one is behind me. Look at this, guys. Okay, that's the maximum of this car. 214 is the maximum here. We can't get more out of this vehicle. That's it. 212, 214. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, guys, and stay tuned for more. Okay, I will try to be posting more videos like that if you like it, with more powerful cars, of course. We can go for more speed. This time 214 maximum speed. Next time maybe 250, 300, who knows. So peace out, fellas. See you soon. Bye bye.